Hey everybody, I'm here at the west end of Utah Lake at Soldiers Pass, and today I'm going to be testing out a new gas tank that I bought from my Husqvarna FE 350. It is a 4.5 gallon gas tank, and I'm going to see if I can go about 180 miles on that gas tank. Now I do have a spare gas tank just in case, because
and see what's happening.
The gas mileage ranges on this wildly from 20 miles per gallon to 60 miles per gallon, so I've got a 2-gallon spare gas tank on the back just in case. All right, here we go. It'll be interesting to see what the gas mileage actually is. Interesting, that is, if I don't run out of gas in the middle of nowhere and don't have enough. A lot of roads down here. It'd be easy to get lost. That's why I've got everything programmed into my GPX, but not always perfect. So I'm driving, I'm going to probably average around 25, 30, probably about 30 miles an hour. But I'm driving faster in some straightaway places and slower in some curves, just like I would if I was doing one of my adventure videos.
La la la, Luke, Luke, I am your father.
So I can really see, whoa, how much gas I use. I just passed the cutoff, but I think I can get it up here. Turn. Turn.
You have my undivided attention.
Nope, not what I wanted. So a lot of this is just wide open road. And I wanted it a little bit mixed, so some of it's going to be mountain, some of it's going to be wide open road. But it'll give me a good estimate of what my gas mileage would be on this 4.5 gallon tank. I don't know what the heck this is. It's the most trash I've seen anywhere. It's like a dump, I guess. It must be. Look at all the plastic bags. A lot of ranches out here. I didn't realize that when I was mapping this out, but I should be coming up on a turn that goes into the mountains, so we'll see. So I found a way through the mountain pass here, near this electrical power plant. This should take me through. We'll see how bad the road gets, because I didn't have a chance to look at this one. I took a little break, and getting to be in the middle of nowhere. I can still see power lines, so that's a good sign. You can just follow those back if I get lost. Yeah, so here we go again. Took the wrong track for about a couple hundred yards, but...
Say, you know, I knew I should have made a left turn at Albuquerque.
This is the one I need to be on. Nicer track though, that's for sure. Nicer road. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful views in all directions, but especially right in front of me. Wow. So this is the doom of all motorcycles. Somebody came through here on a muddy road in a truck and made these ditches. And it's like being in a motorcycle on a train track. You're kind of just relegated to stuck. Or you can try and do what I'm doing, is riding in the middle. Sometimes that middle gets really thin. All right, so fence, but it's not locked, and that's good news. I started to realize as I was driving down this long stretch of dirt road that I had not seen any cars in the last 2 hours. That means I'm in the middle of nowhere. Bring up the screen. Look at that amazing view. It's just unbelievable, vast.
She's rich. She's got huge tracts of land.
100 miles. Far as the eye can see. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, and then came gate number 2. But of course I fell off my motorcycle getting off, but it wasn't recording. Got a lot of cows interested in me. I've seen a lot of cows while riding before, but these ones seemed particularly interested in staring at me as I went by. It was getting kind of creepy. And then this happened. Alright, that didn't really happen, but it's time to get serious. Alright, let me turn left here, I think. I remember that. Power lines, okay. Alright, so I had about 80 more miles to go, and it was time to really get serious. Seriously. No, seriously. It had been hours since I've seen any cars, and I knew I'd be lost if I got stuck out here. Oh, wait a minute, that's a freeway coming up. Never mind. This is interesting. Railroad crossing. Pretty cool. I don't see any trains. Wasatch National Forest. All right. Look at this road. I was making great time and the landscape was beautiful. And I thought everything was going perfectly, and then this happened. Uh-oh. I went off the track.
Don't look much like Los Angeles to me. I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque.
This is what happens when you don't pay attention to where you're going. So I'm taking this side road to the road I'm supposed to be on. Hopefully it'll loop back around because there was no other road. So the tracks are off. And it looks like it is. It looks like it's coming back around. Road's a little bit muddy. Let's get on this side. Boy, this would not be a good place to get stuck. I have not seen a single vehicle since I started on this trip. Not since I left the trash dump way earlier. But man, it is gorgeous. Look at that. Another turn here. Some kind of civilization here, maybe a farm. But I want to make a left here. Maybe no civilization. Oh yeah, a ranch. Man, they have a ranch in a beautiful place. Right here, it looks like. Right, prepare to cut. All right, some wide open road. This road's interesting. That is not looking great. I gotta get some speed on it. Another wide road here. Nice for a change. A trash can out here. Where does the trash truck come from? Well, I have come to the end of my line. There's no more ways around. It's private property, no trespassing.
None shall pass.
What?
None shall pass.
I have no quarrel with you, good Sir Knight, but I must cross this bridge.
Then you shall die.
I command you, as King of the Britons, to stand aside.
I move for no man.
And the road doesn't go any further that way. Let's see what this... All right, so I'm blocked off here. I'm going to try and go around if there's a way around. So this isn't part of my plan, but just to get some more miles on the tank, I'm going to go down this road. And it's beautiful.
Two hours later.
Wow, finally open. Open country. The end of the fence. Wow. That is awesome.
Cujo?
All right, now let's see if I can find my way home. Or at least back to the Jeep. Alright, I didn't make it the 90 miles one way that I had planned on, but I figured I could just fill up my tank when I get home, see what my gas mileage is, and multiply it by the size of the tank. That would have been a lot easier than doing this whole ride in the first place. But then I thought, that wouldn't have been any fun. I mean, I would have missed getting lost, an uncontrolled railroad track, crossing the highway, seeing a beautiful landfill, and all the other fun things that happened.
2 hours later.
Alright, looking at the miles. I went 123 miles. Alright, so I went 123 miles in total round trip and put 1.94 gallons of gas back into the 4.5 gallon tank, which means my MPG was 63 and my range is now 284 miles, probably about 250 to be safe. That's awesome.